व्हाट इज एथिक्स? एथिक्स क्या है? जैसे कि मैं आपको पहले बता चुकी हूँ कि एथिक्स इज पर्टिकुलरली एसोसिएटेड विद द साइंस. इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द साइंटिफिक रिसर्च because most of the ethical issues are related with the scientific experiments. For example, the issues related to animals, animal concern, a participation of the human subjects in the research, and many more like stem cell research, cloning. So there are a number of ethical issues that arises from the science. Now, if you want to define ethics in a scientific way, then keep in mind that it's a branch of science. ये एक science की ही branch है that defines about the defending, systematizing and recommending the concepts of right and wrong. क्या गलत है और क्या सही है. इसमें ना कि साइंस इन्वॉल्व होती है बल्कि फिलॉसफी भी. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ साइंस, फिलॉसफी एंड ऑफ रिलीजन in which we have to decide कि क्या हमारे साइंटिफिक रिसर्च करने से, क्या हमारी डिसीजन लेने से किसी पे कोई असर तो नहीं हो रहा. It is all about setting feelings, about setting priorities in human behavior. One of the example is of telling a lie. Now keep in mind that trust is very important in human relationship, even in public life. For example, it is very painful for the parents if one of their children lied to them. Similarly, children trust can be extremely destroyed if the parents lie to them. So trust is a very important part of the human relationship as well as in the public life. If we want to keep our social, personal and professional life successful, we have to talk about the ethics. क्या हमारे सही और गलत करने से हमारी इर्द गिर्द की सराउंडिंग्स पे कोई असर तो नहीं हो रहा. Now, ethics is not only about the true acceptable or unacceptable, absolutely right and wrong, but it is about the best in particular circumstances. आपके scientific research करने से आप best लोगों को क्या provide कर सकते हैं, आप सबसे अच्छा अपने इर्द गिर्द के लोगों को, अपने पब्लिक को, अपनी सोसाइटी को क्या फराहम कर सकते हैं. Now, religion has a very important impact on the ethics. Now, religion plays a very important role in setting high ethical standards. But keep in mind that religion is not associated or ethics is not confined to the ethics, but it's a part of ethics. For example, ethics, my religious beliefs are ethics. तो इस तरह हम इस्लाम को या किसी और रिलीजन को एथिक्स में ला सकते हैं. लेकिन ये याद रखिए कि रिलीजन और एथिक्स दो डिफरेंट चीज़ें हैं. बट साइंस, फिलॉसफी एंड रिलीजन कैन मेक द ethical standards more effective. Now, it can also make the work more trustworthy. So intense motivation for ethical behavior is required by the religion. So religion एक और religion का काम यानी कि एक motivation ethical behavior में किसी भी फर्द के बारे में जांचना. Now keep in mind that ethics has to do with my religious beliefs. लेकिन religion और ethics दो अलग-अलग चीजें हैं. Now there are three types of ethics. Number one is meta-ethics, second one is normative ethics, and the third one is applied ethics. Now what is meta-ethics? Meta-ethics क्या है? Meta-ethics is actually a theoretical meaning of moral concepts, of moral values. हमारे moral values के बारे में हमारे क्या ख्यालात हैं. So it's an observation and thus putting it into a theoretical form. Experiments are not involved in meta-ethics. It is just based on the observation as well as on the theory. The next type of the ethics is normative ethics, which is concerned with the practical meaning of the moral values. The third one is the applied ethics, which is concerned with a particular domain of life, and this is bioethics. Now keep in mind that medical ethics, ethics related to animals or environmental concern, they all build up the discipline of bioethics.